This is Max, and we're making a video from one of our tours right now. If you've been here in Kyrgyzstan before, and if you miss it, I'll make a footage around. If you haven't been to, you're always welcome to come. Choose Max Tours on the maxtour.com, and we'll be glad to organize a nice trip for you. We're in Kyrchyn gorge and making a hike to one of the lakes right now. That's one of the places where World Nomad Games was. You can see the link below about the videos from some footage from Nomad Games. And yeah, I hope you all be safe and well, and right after the borders will be open, you're welcome to visit us in Kyrgyzstan. Bye.